How to use or set up FM transmitter for your car. Yes, you are listening right. I'm Gogi from Helper Gogi, and today we're gonna talk about that how you can easily set up for first time FM transmitter into your car. You don't have to do much more for this. You have to first of all insert that device into your car cigarette charger, and after that you can see that it started blinking BT into it. Now you have to search that Bluetooth device into your mobile phone. When you connect on your mobile phone, you will see a FM transmission ID, that is 87.5. Now you have to search this 87.5 into your car's music system, FM system. After searching that frequency and stuck on over there on FM radio station, that is 87.5, and now whichever you play on your mobile phone, you will be able to listen into your music system. And if you receive any call, you have to press that button and you can talk to them.
Hello.
So that's the process how you can easily connect, use or set up for the first time FM car transmitter device into your car. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.